Canva versus CapCut, which is better for social media content creation? Looking for the ultimate tool to elevate your social media content? Canva and CapCut are leading favorites, but which one truly stands out for creators? In this video, we'll compare their features, usability, and performance to reveal the best choice for your unique needs. Canva shines as a go-to platform for crafting stunning graphics. With its immense library of templates and user-friendly design tools, it's perfect for creating eye-catching posts, stories, and banners. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, Canva makes designing straightforward and accessible. Beyond graphics, Canva also offers some video editing tools. While not as advanced as CapCut, it's great for basic edits, like adding text or trimming clips. However, its real strength lies in its polished, customizable templates for static and animated designs. CapCut steals the spotlight when it comes to video content. Packed with robust video editing features like multi-layer editing, transitions, and effects, it's perfect for creating professional-looking clips. Its interface is intuitive, even for beginners, making advanced video editing feel easy. CapCut also includes trending effects and music that cater specifically to social media audiences. Whether you're crafting Instagram Reels, TikToks, or YouTube Shorts, CapCut delivers the versatility and tools needed to make your videos pop and captivate your audience. Canva's drag-and-drop interface is effortlessly simple. It requires no prior design experience, allowing creators to quickly make polished graphics. Its collaborative tools also make it ideal for teams working on shared projects. CapCut, while also beginner-friendly, focuses on video editing features that might feel overwhelming for graphic-heavy projects. However, its clean layout and tutorials simplify the experience, getting users up to speed in no time. Canva excels with its wide range of templates for static and animated graphic content. Ideal for branding, presentations, and posts, it supports diverse social media strategies. Meanwhile, CapCut thrives in video-centric scenarios, offering superior editing precision and trendy effects for creators prioritizing video. For mixed content creators, Canva provides a balanced approach, but if videos dominate your social media, CapCut might be the better investment. In short, your platform of choice depends on whether graphics or videos align closely with your content goals. Ultimately, the decision boils down to your content needs. Choose Canva if you're focused on stunning graphics and a variety of design templates. Opt for CapCut if high-quality videos and advanced editing features are your priority. Ready to enhance your social media presence? Hit the like button and comment below with your favorite tool, Canva or CapCut. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and reviews to master your content creation journey. Let's elevate your creativity together.